Oh, I see him.
You ready? Let's go.
There's a very high probability, as obviously the Democrats won another stimulus
Just
package
lasered
passed
him.
the House of Representatives, the HEROES Act, and even the Republicans, they're all pretty much saying that there's going to
Shaking
be
another guy?
stimulus package. Therefore,
Different team
it's
guy.
not certain. However, it's very probable. There's a high probability.
Watch the
Really?
time.
The eyeball. It's an
I'm also getting
interesting
comments,
emote.
will there be a second
I
stimulus
just
check?
killed him with a harpoon.
I believe if you're looking for more stimulus check related
Knocked
news
another
and
guy?
stimulus package related news,
Don't
please
see anybody yet.
go see and check out Erica Colburn's channel.
Shaken?
Not sponsored to
Okay,
say
no,
this,
I'm not,
just
'cause
trying
they
to be
disappeared.
nice and high warmest regards. Thank
Yeah,
you so
she's
much.
hidden
Please
somewhere.
subscribe and check out our investing for beginners
She is in the
videos
second
about the
floor.
stock market so that we can get started.
Oh, somebody found her.
Have a
What
nice
floor?
holiday weekend. Please
Very
stay
bottom.
safe and take care.
Oh, you got her. Nice. Get Falcon up.
There's
Welcome
over here
back.
somewhere.
If you're not, subscribe
no,
right
I
now
missed
so I
it.
can give you updates and other smart features. Now, did you know
Wow, G.
it literally costs nothing to subscribe to my channel? It's indicated that any new stimulus relief
shots?
package must come in around
on the
$1
hilltop.
trillion and not the over $3 trillion.
22 white? 22 white?
If they cut the budget by 1/3,
29.
does that mean that you guys
22
will
white?
get stimulus
It's
money?
definitely a bot. Knocked one.
There's
another one.
original CARES Act, money for the
Swimming
people
over.
was one of the
Ooh, he is
smallest
shooting.
portions of the CARES Act. At
Who's
$1
got that
trillion,
Three.
they could still do stimulus
Knocked another one. Third one's behind the
to
tree, I
post
think.
office and give
Behind
a
the building now. 22 white again.
to the states.
Someone's
These,
getting
in
the
my
box.
opinion, are the three most pressing issues. I pray Congress will
Oh,
do
fourth one's here.
but I'm not going to hold
Shield.
my breath. And in fact,
Broke shield. White. In the water. All dead.
He said, suppose you are an idiot.
Cracked him.
Stay on G. Ooh, building up.
Got a heavy pump.
Hold on, G. Where are they at?
Knocked him.
Nice.
Take him.
Coming
Taking him
in.
now. He had a purple pump if anybody wants it.
I don't see any marks.
Oh, he has a drum gun,
Nice
bro.
jam.
Where? I don't see nothing. Where we going? Oh, bridge. He builds. I think he's underneath somewhere. Yeah.
Oh, he launched padded?
No.
Oh, shit.
Other person's here. He's got the heavy sniper. This guy's got a heavy down here.
Ooh, these are
Ooh,
OG
two
bro.
people. There's two people coming from the west side. Alright, two people west
Got
side.
one? He got a, there, he had a gold, this guy was one.
Pushing in southwest on the
Where?
hill.
Oh, I see him.
One knock.
Ooh,
One more in the
knock.
water. One more in the water. He was down
Pickaxe?
by the
Pickaxe or
water
what?
somewhere. Ooh, pickaxe?
Pick-
We just gotta
Pick
find
him.
Yeah.
him.
Sure, he doesn't have-
I'll get him in a box.
Oh,
Oh no, he's good. I'll get him in a box. He's a fish boy. He's in a box. He's in a box. Come on, come on, come on.
I'm coming. Oh, I didn't make it in the
We
box.
missed it, but
Just in a pickaxe in the death.
bro, back to back.
Back to back to back.
I keep myself progressing cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.